titled that I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. It's a fall haul, and it's going to be an unboxing kind of first impression kind of video. I'm super excited for this haul because I received the stuff like a little bit over a week, but I haven't had the time to film, so I really don't remember everything I got. I really don't know how it fit me. I really don't know anything. So I cheated a little bit. I tried 2 stuff on because I couldn't wait, but I'm finally here with the video. So majority of the stuff I didn't try on, I didn't open. So I really don't know anything, so you guys are really going to be seeing my honest and true expression, first impression. Get this? Anyways, if you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate each and every one of you that support me in the little way by liking and watching. Anyways, I don't want to ramble too much. We're just gonna get into this video, and yes, let's see everything that I got, guys. So I got a box here with everything inside, and we're just gonna go in and I'm gonna try it on. So I tried this on, but I didn't like try it on like in a dressy way. I just tried this on like, you know, for school and so on. So I really didn't get to see this in like a, you know, like hair done, face done, outfit. You know, I didn't really get to see it in this kind of light. So this is kind of new too. But yeah, so this here is just a regular denim jacket. It's just a cropped denim jacket. It's like it's just cut off in the middle. It's very distressed. I'm gonna turn around for you guys. Yes, the material is like really good. It's not like the jegging material or anything. It's like actual denim. It has like buttons here, so you can actually close it up to school. I'm not too sure, but yeah, this is really cute. I like this. I would wear this to school. This is really nice. So this is this here. What do you guys think? Yay? Nay? I think it's a yay. So this is just a regular cardigan. It's kind of like, it's not like 20s. It's like grown kind of woman kind of cardigan. You know, it looks kind of like old lady. Not too much, but it looks good. It's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. I think the gray color kind of goes with everything. It has some orange at the sleeve and to the bottom of it here, which doesn't go with everything, but I pretty much feel like this cardigan can wear with anything. You know, it's nothing, this is not really like a dress up piece for me. This is just something for me to put on just to feel warm, and it's lightweight, and it's kind of like, you know, it's kind of like a little dressy, casual kind of. So guys, the next thing I got here is, I think it's a sweater, right? This is gonna be something that I didn't open, something that I really don't know how it's gonna fit me. I really don't know nothing about this one yet. So let's just try this one. A cropped sweater here. It's knitted. It has like turtleneck, as you guys can see, and it's kind of a little tighter here. So don't worry about the red. Of course I won't wear it with this hair. I just wanted to like try it on just so you guys could like see, you know, how it fits or whatever. But yeah, I mean, do I like it? I think it's cute. This by itself is obviously not gonna keep you warm because it's kind of thin. Even though it's knitted, it's very thin, but it goes all the way to my sleeve, it goes all the way to my wrist, which is really nice. You know, it's nothing, but I could always pull it up like this if I wanted to wear it like a short look. I think this is cute, like with some high-waisted jeans, or maybe not extremely high-waisted, but like some mid-rise jeans. This would look really nice with. I like this. It's cute. The material is really good, but like I said, this by itself is definitely not going to be enough to keep you warm. Definitely will still need something, but for like early fall, like right now, this is perfect because it's not too cold, but it's not hot, so it's like, yeah. So yes, this is this. If you guys see me looking here, it's because there's a mirror and it's a first impression, so I really don't know how these things look on me, so I need to look there to see what I think. I like this with with some jeans, not some red jeans, but yeah, cute. Cute, 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 cute. It's kind of crazy getting it on, you know, it just messed up your hair and everything, but yeah. So moving on to the next thing. Lighter on camera, but it's actually darker, but this is really cute, and just putting it on like with a jeans, you know, I can actually see how it looks. It's just great color. You see how my video got a little darker? The colors just cause the lighting to go crazy. Anyways, but yeah, this is the gray. Let me show you the back. So yeah, very simple, very cute. I really like them. So this is the next thing that I got. This is like a, I don't know what you call this. It's just a top here. It has like turtleneck, but you can like, it has a zipper here, so you can open it, you can close it. It's pretty thick. It's thicker than the sweaters that I just showed you here. So yeah, it's really, I like the color. It actually looks good with this jeans that I'm wearing right now. It's scrunched up to the, like right by the waist. It's scrunched up at the bottom of it, so it kind of goes in, so you can bring it up like this if you wanted to, like this, or you can just, you know, stretch it out like this. I think it's really, the color is different for me, but I think this would look really good like with this jeans that I'm wearing. And I think it's just simple for like, at the end of the sleeve you have like some scrunched up stuff here. Yeah, it's not too bad. This is just a regular sweater. Here it's a little fitted in the sleeve, rip here. I think this is very simple. It's nothing too fancy. It's no trendy girl kind of stuff, but it's very simple and very cozy. It's definitely thick, so it's definitely going to keep you warm. It's not extremely thick, so it's probably not going to be great for like, you won't be able to wear this by itself for winter, but definitely for the fall you will be able to wear this. I think it's just simple, it's cute. On those days when I'm feeling very simple and very just basic, I just throw this on with some jeans and I'm good. I still look put together, I still look kind of cute, and you know, really comfortable. So this is this here. I just hate that my video is so dark right now, but yeah, this is this. We're just gonna get into something else.
So guys, I got this skirt here. It looked really good online, but in person the material is very cheap and it's like really big. So that's one thing about this Shein website. You can never really be sure unless you maybe like actually like measure yourself, like get like a measuring tape and measure yourself. But the idea of the skirt is kind of cute, you know. I was thinking that I could wear this with like maybe some stockings and some nice booties, you know, and so on. It's kind of cute, but I'll have to like take it into the back, and just so you know, the material is not like, you know, really thick. It's kind of really cheap, but yeah, this is this kind of cute.
Okay guys, so that's all the clothing pieces that I got from Shein. One tip about shopping on Shein is that sometimes you're never sure about the sizes, because it's always like a European size or something like that, or mostly like European sizes. You can kind of get confusing on some of these websites. You know, sometimes it looks, you think that it's going to be perfect, but when it comes, it's either too big or too small, because sometimes the clothing itself can run small or run big. But what I do is I look to see, most of the times what's really helpful is that the model, if she's like around the same size with me, or she looks like she's the same size with me, I kind of check to see what the model is wearing. Or I go through the reviews and I see, you know, people take pictures and put on there, and I compare like, okay, does she looks a little you know, like same size with me, or is she bigger, is she slimmer, you know, stuff like that, and I go with that there. That really helps a lot. So the next thing that I got, that is not a clothing piece, but it's a kind of a hat here. This is what this looks like here. It's a little squished up right now because it's been in the bag there, but the quality is good. It's kind of suede. I don't normally wear stuff like this here, but I really want to like you know, look a little more fall this year, and I want to be a lot more, you know, fashionable. So I just got this simple hat. Gloves, you know, these are kind of like the pleather material. They're pleather, but they're soft inside. Ooh, these are really soft. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, you hit that subscribe button right now. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to communicate anything, maybe which piece you like, maybe a question or whatever, please leave it down in the comment section, and I'm gonna try my best to link everything in the description box down there. So make sure you guys check the description, because I always try to, you know, put some details in there. Anyways guys, enough rambling, and I'll see you guys in my next one.